and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very perfect, simple, effective and very home remedy that would actually make your face look really beautiful even without makeup. There are some people that cannot do without makeup, but in this home remedy you would rest a little with makeup, but it doesn't mean that you're not going to make up. Yeah, but of course when you're at home, your face is looking flawlessly beautiful. So this home remedy is going to give you that achievement. Alright, so if you love the video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. Now let me take you right into the video. So to look beautiful without makeup, to have that glowing skin, you need beetroot. Okay, so this is actually the leaf to the beetroot. Yeah, so this actually is a great remedy that freshens up the skin. Okay, beetroot helps to smooth the skin, removing all of the problems you have on your skin. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is that we're not gonna be needing this particular part for this remedy, okay, but of course in other remedy you'll be needing the beetroot leaf. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to cut the beetroot the quantity that I need. And then we're going to peel it up. What we're going to do is that we're going to be grating the beetroot. You can blend yours, but this is actually very easy because the beetroot that I'm creating is small, so I wouldn't want to create it. Okay, so it's properly created, and now we would have to be getting some juice out of this beetroot. So you're going to be putting in a little bit of water. Now that will help to bring out the juice of the beetroot. Yeah, and then I would have to be sieving the juice in the bowl. I have to be sieving the juice, guys. Yeah, and this is enough for one use. Okay, so we're also going to be making use of turmeric powder, which is perfect for this remedy. It helps to smoothen out the skin, remove dead skin cells, and leave the skin super duper young. Yeah, so you're going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder into the beetroot, and then stir. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Yeah, you see how it looks? The real color of this remedy is orange. It's looking orange in color, and this is beautiful. Okay, we're also going to be needing castor oil. Now castor oil is a great important oil for fine lines and wrinkles. Yeah, it helps to maintain the skin elasticity, and it also helps to remove stretch marks, removing fine lines, and it helps for the skin. So you're going to be needing just a few drops of this in this ingredient. So I'm going to be dropping a few, about half teaspoon. It's perfect. And then we'll give it a stir. Now you need the oil. In case you don't have castor oil, you can replace castor oil with olive oil or carrot oil. Okay, we're also going to be making use of banana. Banana maintain the moisture on the skin by removing the dryness, the crackiness, the roughness, and it makes the skin look super duper young and glowing. It gives you that baby feeling kind of skin. Okay, so what we're going to do is to take a little banana. I'm going to mash the banana, okay, into a paste form. So I'm actually going to be mashing it this way. However you can mash yours, you do that. But just keep it. I'll need it. You need to use banana that is super duper ripe, so it's not going to be difficult to mash and mix. So this is the mashed banana, and then we'll be turning that into the turmeric and beetroot mix, and then give it a stir. This is actually not going to change the color. It didn't change the color at all. So we're going to be adding milk. Milk contains a lactic acid, which is what we need to maintain the skin elasticity, and it also helps you look super duper young by removing fine lines and tightening up the skin. So we're going to be putting about 2 tablespoons of milk into this mix. And then we mix it up again, and this is actually going to help to change the color just a little bit, but not completely. The color is so sweet, man. And now we're going to be adding up tomato. Okay, now tomato helps in lightening up the skin. Now if you need your skin to look super duper glowing and light without makeup and beautiful, you will need to put in tomato, and this tomato helps also in reducing the size of your pores. Okay, so you need this a whole lot in this mix. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be grating it. I'm going to be grating it, okay, because I need it to be fast. Yeah, so I have to grate just a little quantity of it. Okay, if you don't want to grate, you can blend, okay, because grating might even, you might injure your hands if you're not a professional like me. Okay, so I'm gonna be sieving it out. Now you may not necessarily want to sieve yours if you blended it, okay, because it's gonna be smooth. Because I need it to be smooth, that's why I'm actually sieving it out. And we're gonna be turning it into the mix. And this is a goal, yeah. This is perfect. So you're gonna mix it properly, mix it really well. And this treatment is perfect, okay. If you don't want to wear makeup, or if you're not a makeup person, always use this. You can actually mix it and put it in your refrigerator, and it's gonna stay for 1 week. Then you always apply it onto your skin. All right, so let's go to the washroom. Let me apply this. So looking beautiful without makeup, you will be needing this. Okay, so first of all, you have to wash your face just like I've washed my face, and then you're gonna be using this. I'm so excited because this is actually my first time I'm using this. Yeah, and it's pop. Oh my god, so you're gonna be needing a brush, and then you're gonna grab this. Look at that. And then you rub it all over your skin. Oh my goodness. So for this treatment, it's actually something you can, mix it and store it, but it has to be inside the refrigerator. There's no chemical or preservative in this, okay? So it is something that has to be stored inside the fridge, otherwise it's gonna go bad and it's not gonna be good for your skin anymore. So it's something that you have to prepare it and use it like immediately, but if you're not using it immediately, then it has to be stored in the fridge. And this, you can use it every day. Okay, you leave it onto your skin like that. Now for some, if you're having any blemishes or problems on the skin, you would have to give it a little massage. But if your skin is smooth and you just want to smoothen your skin the more, you don't need the massage. Okay, the massage is just so to aid in whooping out all of those dead skin cells. Yeah, and then making your skin look super duper pale and super duper young. Yeah, so you scrub and then scrub. The banana in it is superb. I'm loving this. Yeah, so it is ideal that you can use it every day. If you want to use it every day, you can actually do that. Okay, all right, so after doing this, then you can go wash it off. You have to stay and let it sink into your skin for another 5 minutes at most, because all of the ingredients in this remedy is actually very friendly enough. And then you go wash it off. You're going to be loving your skin. Okay, and you can actually use a soap, a toilet soap, and then you wash it. Now the reason why you have to use a toilet soap immediately is because of the turmeric powder in it. Okay, turmeric actually stained, so you have to wash the turmeric out and then let the real deal appear, like your real skin, like the realness. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Always remember to wash your lip while you wash your face, because it's also very important. Okay, so I just finished washing and this is how my skin is. It's super duper smooth. Look at that. You use this, just like I did. You scrub out all of those dead skin cells and your skin is going to be looking flawless. Your skin is going to be looking so young, and your skin is going to be looking oil free. Okay, because it's going to get into your pores, remove all of those white heads and all of those black heads, and you're going to have this young looking skin. Yeah, so if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful, bye guys. Mwah.